गुड इवनिंग. हांव कॅप्टन वेन्झी वेगस आणि मुजबर आहा कॅप्टन एल्बर्न डिसिल्वा हू इज ऑल्सो दी प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दी मॅरिटायम युनियन ऑफ इंडिया. आज आमी मेलार हो डॉक्युमेंट धाडलेलो. दिस इज अ मेमोरेंडम विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द सी फेरर्स वॅक्सिनेशन इश्यू. आणि आज इतले दीस जाले डीजे शिपिंगान जी ऑर्डर काढलो हा, जो सर्क्युलर काढलो हा, आणि ह्या सर्क्युलराचे क्लियर दिलो हा की ऑल द सी फेरर्स शूड बी वॅक्सिनेटेड आणि एमपीटी सेपरेट वॅक्सिनेशन करपाक जाय म्हणून. आम्ही ह्याच्या पहिले एक व्हिडिओ काढून सोशल मीडियातल्यान एक बाईट दिल्ली की एक कॉरिडोर ओपन करचो म्हणून सी फेरर कोविन कॉरिडोर. हेजे फाटल्यान गव्हर्नमेंटान कांयच करूंक ना. तेज फाटल्यान काल ईमेल धाडलो आमी की आमी हांगा येतले म्हणून आणि दॅट वी वॉन्ट टू सबमीट. बट नाव आय थिंक एज पर द न्यू प्रोटोकॉल वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू सबमीट हियर. सो वी वील बी गोईंग टू सेक्रेटरेट दॅट इज पोरवोरी आणि थिंग वचून आमी सबमीट करतले. बट द मेन इश्यू इज the demand is that to include all seafarers, all Goan seafarers as frontline workers in the Goa state workers list and immediately prioritize vaccination for Goan seafarers. ये आज गरजे जावन आहा. In order to fulfill the demands of the industry, all Goan seafarers आज एक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डोस गेलो आतो, फर्स्ट वॅक्सिनेशन दिलो आतो घेऊन आता सेकंड वॅक्सिनेशनार रावता and they are not getting a job. And secondary another situation is that there is no vaccine for 18 to 44, 18 to 45 age. So हे सगळे जे तारवटी आहा आज बोटीर वचनाचो आहा आणि the seafarers who are on the ship have to be relieved. So what owners are now doing is owners are trying to take other nationalities, Bangladeshi जाऊ, Chinese जाऊ, यांक घेता. And so what is going to happen is this jobless seafarers who are here now waiting will remain here for a longer time and the industry will start again decreasing. The demand for Indian seafarers will start falling down because they will get replaced. So when the DG Shipping has come out with clear instructions, it is seen that our state government is not taking any initiative. Ami hanga also for reference 24th May Kerala government age order ah, where Kerala government has come up with a new set of frontline workers as per Kerala state. Murche Kerala state in temka dista besides the central government list of frontline workers, they feel that these are also the people in Kerala who are frontline workers. आणि तितू तुम पळयलें जाल्यार they have mentioned seafarers here. So तेच भाशेन गोंयच्या स्टेटान seafarersak आज पुसान प्रमोद सावंत गव्हर्नमेंट कित्याक आमकां ह्या फ्रंटलायन वर्कर्सांक तूं हाडना. He has already, the government of Goa has already taken a lot of other this in their in the list of frontline workers. But seafarers are आज पुसान आमकां भितर घेयनाय आणि the whole thing is damaging the industry at large. So we demand this to happen and we are not taking time now. We are not come here to give him big notice. In the evening we understand the CM is going to take a press. In that press he has to come up with a clear answer today itself because DG Shipping circular is dated एक आहा 7th मेयाचो सर्क्युलर आणि एक आहा 15th मेयाचो सर्क्युलर. So this is good enough notice period for the government to react. आज इवनिंग जरी तरी गव्हर्नमेंट आणि प्रमोद सावंत क्लियर कट आमगे तारवट्यांक वॅक्सिनेशनाक कित करतो सांगना जाल्यार नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इमिजिएटली टुमॉरो. So this is our clear demand. We are not come here to waste time of anyone, but by today evening he has to come with a clear answer for seafarers. Why is he not doing and putting us into this frontline workers list? Same how the Kerala government has done. आज इवनिंग सीएमान आन्सर दिचो कित करपाचो दितो तारवड्या पासत आणि जरी तरी तो आन्सर दिना आज इवनिंग जाल्यार नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल टेक टुमॉरो.
पण तुम्ही मिळाले पण याच्या पण मिळाले डिमांड सांगलेलं सीएम.
No, demand, this is a ongoing demand. Each and every minister, each and every, we personally have sent emails, we personally have gone on social media, have done this proclaiming of this, but coming here for the first time because हे आज न्ही, हे बरे पहिले करपाक आशिल्लें.
ईमेल केन्ना केल्ले तुम्ही सीएम?
3 दीस जाले. आज सकाळी एक ईमेल धाडला. सो दीज ईमेल्स हॅव गॉन, बट द थिंग इज दिस शूड हॅव डन. हे आमी पयलीं करपाक आशिल्लें पूण लॉकडावन जालो, आतां परत लॉकडावन आहा. सो हे भिरांतेन की येवचें न्हू म्हणून हे तरी पूण आज वो स्टेप घेवन आमी दोगूय आज आयला. नाजाल्यार तुमी जाणा सीफेरर्सांक जेन्ना आमी उलो मारलो जाल्यार कितलेशे आमी येता म्हणून. बट वी हॅव डन दिस, वी हॅव जस्ट कम 2 of us, वी विल गो अँड सबमीट दिस. And I request the CM to take action. This is not about one or two individuals. This is about the entire seafarers community. There is a government who have done it. Why don't you do it? And if you are going to do it, tell us today evening what is your plan for seafarers. This is our demand.
Okay. कशें करूं वॅक्सिनेशन्स जे शॉर्टेजीस आसा तेजेर तुमी कशें पळयता कित्याक जेन्ना तुमी म्हणटा सी फेरसाक इन्क्लूड करचे सो ऑलरेडी वॅक्सिनेशन जी फ्रंट करता तांकांच गावना जाल्यार
सो
तुमकां कशें
वॅक्सिनेशन शॉर्टेज जी जाल्ली आसा जे तूं म्हणटा आर वी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दॅट आर वी सपोज टू लूज आवर जॉब्स आर आवर फॅमिली इज गोइंग टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द नेग्लिजन्स ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट फॉर हॅव्हिंग दीस शॉर्टेज अँड ॲट वॉट कॉस्ट पयले आमकां हाडपाक जेन्ना तारवट्याक अशेंच करून लास्ट इयर परत परत ह्या देरान आमी येताले by taking the risk. Now we have slowed down this not to come out because of this second wave. So are we responsible? Are seafarers responsible if the government is shortage of vaccines? Can't you make arrangements? We are just talking about few 10,000 seafarers might need to get vaccinated now. So you don't need 10,000 on day one. Every day you can always top up with some vaccines and make a schedule only for seafarers through the MPD.
Yeah, see, the DG circular also states that for seafarers, MPT is designated for vaccination for Goan seafarers. But unfortunately, MPT has got no vaccines to offer for seafarers. Also, in the DG website, the circular also states that the company has to register a seafarer. If suppose I want to join tomorrow, the company has to register my name saying that this guy will be joining after 30 to 60 days. So on that basis, that first shot should be given. Now first shot and the second duration is 3 months. So just imagine for last 1.5 year, whatever pandemic, people are still here. Now if people have not even got the first shot, when will they join? Now in US, the ships, the cargo ships which are going, they have got seafarer centers. I can give you evidences which come on trade winds also, where they vaccinate the crew of the ship directly. Without any hassles, you can just have to call like going on a shore lift. You just call the seafarers community center, they will come on board and they will vaccinate the crew. So if all countries are doing so much for the seafarers, why is our government not doing anything? Same thing was done when when the pandemic broke, when the seafarers coming were treated as criminals, quarantine, kept separate, everything was done for seafarers, criminalized. Now we are all here only. Now to go out also we cannot go because no vaccine, no owners are taking the crew. Lot of planning agents have lost their this because they have all gone for a different nationality. We being in the Maritime Union of India, we are dealing with the owners. So as of now, the situation is very bad. Indians are losing their jobs on big scale. Now only way you can join a ship is to get vaccinated. So first dose comes today. We still have to wait for next 3 months to get the second dose. So just imagine how long a seafarer will have to wait. And now with this 18 to 44 where they are not even getting appointments, how do we get our jobs, how do we feed our families? So our request is, like how he has mentioned, that Kerala government has already made seafarers priority. At least give some sort of vaccine to MPT. Then the companies will register as per the DG circular, and then they will say that okay, this guy needs to join and he needs to get an appointment. So it's not fake or something anybody can come and take. At least it is going through a proper procedure. But if you don't have vaccines only allotted to the seafarers, where will it be?
Okay,
We are a forgotten community. See, just imagine one thing. Everything had stopped for last 1.5 years, but ships never stopped, especially cargo ships. All the essentials were provided by cargo ships. See, that's why IMO has also passed a circular where they say seafarers are key workers. All the countries have accepted that. So we request the state government at least to give seafarers a priority in this and get ourselves vaccinated so that we can carry on with our work.
So you said that by today evening itself CM should take his actions. If not that, then you will take a step tomorrow.
We'll take a step tomorrow.
So what will be that step?
That we will come back to you tomorrow itself when we are doing this. Let us wait for CM's decision today because it's already too long. चड वेळ जालो कळना आमी हांगा येवं ना वी डीड नॉट कम फिजिकली आउट बिकॉज ऑफ सो मेनी प्रोटोकॉल्स एंड ऑल दिसते भायर कित्याक वचता म्हणून बट भितर रावनूय आतां हें काम जायना सो आय थिंक ही हॅज टू डिसायड टुडे इवनिंग बिकॉज दिस मॅटर इज ऑलरेडी ऑन हिज टेबल देर हॅज बीन सेवरल रिप्रेझेंटेशन फ्रॉम वेरियस अदर एसोसिएशन्स एज वेल एज दीस सो खबर आहा तेका पूण एक्शन घेना सो एक्शन घेना जाल्यार आज सांजचे म्हणल्यार सांग कितें करपा तो एमपीटी तूं आज हाडटा फाल्यां हाडटा एक म्हयन्यान हाडटा पूण कितें पूण सी फेरजा लागून आज आमकां सांग तारवट्यांक कळपा जाय की तूं कितें करपा तें वाय यू आर नॉट ओबेईंग दीस DGS सर्कुलर्स वाय यू आर नॉट फॉलोईंग दीस and if you are going to follow, when you are going to follow. Give us some answer today. If you are not able to give us an answer today, then tomorrow we are going to take some action.
आमकां मातशें ते डिमांडाची कॉपी धाडा
मागीर ग्रुपार